Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Honda Fit Radio, easy method. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal, then remove the dash trim carefully using a plastic trim tool. Label each screw and connector so reassembly is simple. Test the antenna and radio harness for secure connections before reinstalling. If the fuse is blown, replace it with the exact amp rating. Keep screws and clips organized to avoid rattles later. Begin by warming the plastic slightly with gentle pressure from your hands to ease removal. Use a plastic pry tool at corners and pop clips, keeping calm and steady hands. Place removed panels on a soft surface to avoid scratches and sort screws into labeled containers. Take photos of connector locations if unfamiliar, and keep a small flashlight handy to spot hidden fasteners. This method reduces damage and speeds reassembly. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great while you work. It's an easy pick-me-up that makes even radio repairs feel a bit more pleasant. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and if it helped you, hit like and subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. If the radio is dead, test the fuse and wiring first because those fixes are quick and inexpensive. Reconnect or reseat the antenna and harness, then turn the ignition to accessory to check power. If power is present but no sound, test speakers and balance settings before assuming head unit failure. Consider swapping a known working radio briefly to isolate the problem. Keep a small multimeter and spare fuses in your car for future fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.